President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. led the 9th leg of campaign rally of the Alianza para sa Bagong Pilipinas Coalition in Tacloban City, Leyte earlier today. The admin vets are hopeful that voters will look beyond political affiliations when casting their votes in the 2025 midterm elections and stress the importance of evaluating candidates based on their competence and qualifications rather than the party colors. PTV's Melales Moras has the details.
In front of thousands of Filipinos in Tacloban City, Leyte, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. proudly campaigned for the administration's senatorial bets during the Alianza para sa Bagong Pilipinas Grand Campaign Rally. In his speech, the chief executive highlighted that their team is on the right path, that's why our countrymen should vote for them.
Malinaw po ang direksyon ng aming alyansa. Ito ay para sa kaunlaran, para sa kapayapaan, para sa pagpapaganda ng buhay ng bawat Pilipino.
On crimes and illegal drugs, President Marcos Jr. reiterated that it's best to have it bloodless as much as possible.
Hindi po natin kailangan dumaan sa madugong solusyon. Wala po sa amin ang naniniwala na ang solusyon sa krimen at saka sa droga ay ang pumatay ng libo-libo na kapwa nating Pilipino. Hindi po tama yun.
In a press conference earlier, Alianza Campaign Manager Representative Toby Chanco said their candidates will continue to focus on their platforms and goals for the country amid the issues on the arrest of former President Rodrigo Duterte due to crimes against humanity.
Ang alyansa ay nanatiling nakatutok doon sa araw-araw na mga suliranin ng ating mga kababayan, tulad ng trabaho, pangkabuhayan. So yun po ang pinapaliwanag ng alyansa at yun po ang tinututukan natin. Hindi po tayo dapat mawalan ng focus dahil yun po ang mga suliranin na dapat resolbahan para guminhawa ang buhay ng ating mga kababayan.
For her part, Alianza candidate Mayor Abby Binay urged voters to look beyond political affiliations of candidates and instead focus on what they can do as senators. Her teammates in Alianza also agreed with this.
Yes, we are part of the administration, but we are individuals in a group. So sana naman po dun sa mga botante, we're not talking about kung pro-Marcos ka ba o pro-Duterte ka, kung pink ka ba, kung dilaw ka ba, kung green ka ba, kung red ka ba. At the end of the day, ang gusto po natin, tama po nga si Sen. Erwin, ano ba ang pwede naming ibigay sa mga kababayan po natin? Mainit ang mga ulo ng mga tao, pero sana bigyan natin ng pagkakataon yung ICC na alam naman natin na magiging patas para hindi naman nga sinasabi na guilty siya. Kaya nga may proseso, kaya nga may trials.
When asked if the Philippines should rejoin ICC, another Alianza candidate, Representative Erwin Tulfo, said,
definitely there should be public consultation. To start with, yung ating mga mambabatas, mga district lawmakers, senators, before we have to talk about it, tackle it, para we can hear the clamor of the public. Sino ba may gusto, sino hindi, so that we would know.
From PTV, Melales Moras, Balitang Pambansa.